Hello friends, I'm back with a new video on Excel. So today I'm going to show you many of the features of Excel in this video. The very first thing I'm going to show you how to work on two columns lookup. Like right now, if you will see over here that we are having brand. Let's take an example. I have started one of the startup for food delivery. So I contacted few of the vendors, like few of the outlets of food. Three of the outlets I have written the name of: Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Mr. Brown. Now we have certain products of them and the cost included into them. You can see over here the three brands are there, like Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Mr. Brown. And the product in each of them, we are giving the product as pizza, garlic bread, cheesy dip, and red sauce pasta. All are having the same, right? So what we have to do next is I want that I should get the cost when I select a brand and a product, or I write a brand or a product. So if that kind of stuff I have to do, then how to do it? Because if I see in this, we are not having any unique value. We are having brand and we are having product. They all are having certain recurrence into it. So I want that how I can get the exact values. So in this case, I am going to use references, index and match function. In this, index function is going to help us out to get the value in an array at the intersection of a row and column number. And match function, it gives me the value of specific where the position of that particular row number or column number is. That's what we can get with the help of match function. So let's first make a drop down for this. So I'm going to make a drop down for brand and a product. Why I'm making a drop down? Because multiple times when I'm writing it manually, it could create a problem. It could, some spelling mistakes could be done. So just I'm going to copy this thing somewhere here. And I'm going to make a drop down of brand. So for making a drop down, I have already shown you the previous videos. But here I'm again telling you that we have to go on data. And here we have the data validation concept. So let's go on data validation. Allow list. Sources will be this one. Okay. And again over here product, I'm going to go on this list and we'll select these products. So now we have brand and product, both of them with us. I'll just add a border into it. Now I require cost of any specific brand and product. So let's get that. From this brand, I'm going to select any of it like Pizza Hut and anything like red sauce pasta might be. I require the cost. Now in this factor, if I combine brand and product together, then I'm going to get the unique field like Domino's Pizza. We're not having anywhere else Domino's Pizza. Pizza Hut garlic bread. We're not having any other occurrence of Pizza Hut garlic bread. Mr. Brown red sauce pasta. We're not having any other occurrence of it. So combining A column value and B column value, we used to get a row number. We know that we have to get the cost. So here we have a fixed value of column. So first I'm giving you the syntax of index and match. They are the most used function. First index. So here I have to give index and we have to give array, the whole array of the data, then row number, and then column number. So that's what I have to give an index. And in match function, if I talk about, so I'm writing match function over here. For match, we need to identify that what we have to, where is a row number or column number. So is equal to match. We have to give a lookup value, a lookup vector, or an array, whatever you want to say, and a match type, whether you want to do an exact match, approximate match, or less than or greater than or exact, what type of. So these two, combination of these two I have to use because I'm not having a fixed row number, but I'm having a fixed column number. So I'm going to use index and match combination in two vector, two column lookups. So I'm going to type is equal to index. Array is this whole. Let's press F4 to freeze. Now I have to get the row number. To get the row number, I have to use match function because ultimately we are not having a fixed row into it. So match. First, I have to look up this brand. Let's press F4. Now I need to combine this brand with product to make it unique so that we can get the row number. So I just added an and sign, that's a concatenation purpose, and that's going to be concatenated into this. Now where I need to find the F3, that's what the brand we have selected. I have to find it into this brand column. So let's select the whole brand column, F4, and where I have to find this product in the product column. So let's select the whole product column, F4, and exact match for that we have to give 0. So this formula I have used to get the row number. Now I know the column is fixed. Third column I require because I have to get the cost, and cost is written in this array at the third column. So let's close the bracket. Now, since when you talk about Office 2007, 10, 13, 16, 19, in that we are having an aspect that this is having two functions, a combination of functions into it, and as we are also having and added into it. So I have to make the array of this formula. If I press enter, I'll get the value error. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this formula and then press Control Shift Enter. Now Control Shift Enter, what it does, it makes the array of the formula. So I'm also writing over here Control plus Shift plus Enter. This is going to make array of formula. So if you will closely monitor this formula, at the formula bar, you can see at the start and at the end, a curly bracket has been added. That is basically to make your this formula as a array. Now I select any of the values, you will see it's changing. So it's changing accordingly, whatever we will select. Right? So this is how we can work on the two column lookups or two column lookups with the help of references. I have did this. Now one more aspect come over here, that are the product will be same every time. All the brands are giving the same product? Of course not. So if some more products are there, how could I arrange this drop down? So in this, I'm going to show you another thing, that is dependent drop down. Right? So that dependent down, I'll come back with my next video. For the time being, this is how we have to do the two column lookups. So thank you for watching this video.